Hi friends, in this video, I am going to explain about the fundamentals of Three.Js. Three.Js is a running 3D graphics inside the web browser. It uses WebGL to draw 3D. The WebGL or Web Graphics Library renders interactive 2D and 3D graphics within any compatible web browser. It handles stuff like scenes, lights, shadows, materials, textures, and others. This helps other platforms like the Three.Js in this case. This is the structure diagram of Three.Js. Now, things to notice in the diagram are renderer, scene, and camera. These three are the main objects of Three.Js. You pass a scene and a camera to a renderer, and it renders or draws the portion of that 3D scene. Under the scene object, we can see single or multiple mesh objects, light objects, object 3D, and camera. A scene object defines the root of the tree graph and contains properties like the background color. These objects define a hierarchical parent or child tree, like structure, and represent where objects appear and how they are oriented. Children are positioned and oriented relative to their parent. Mesh object represents drawing a specific geometry with a specific material. Both material objects and geometry objects can be used by multiple mesh objects. Geometry objects represent the vertex data of some piece of geometry like box, circle, cone, cylinder, etc. Three.js provides many kinds of built-in geometry primitives. You can also create custom geometry. Material objects represent the surface properties used to draw geometry, including things like the color to use and how shiny it is. Texture objects generally represent images either loaded from image files, generated from a canvas, or rendered from another scene. Light objects represent different kinds of lights such as ambient light, hemisphere light, directional light, point light, spotlight, and more. These lights will reflect every object depending on your code. Okay, let's proceed. This is my output shipped at the sea. And this is the actual picture. In my project, I've used Three.js, Orbit Control, GLTF loader, and this is all JavaScript. In my project code, we can see the scene, camera, render, controls, the textures, the mesh, and as well as the lightings.